Shout out to my team, 1013, man. Bitches gonna be on the bandwagon. Nice watch. Shout out to J. Cole, you know. I got my nigga, I got Sigma in the video, so we got the hoes on deck. Got a light-skinned nigga in the video, so we got the hoes on deck. And I'm Ronnie Polo, you know what I mean? See, the Jules is the driver, this is the motherfucking hype man on the stage shutting shit down. You know, that's the DJ in the back.
That's the DJ? Hey, get his attention.
And that's Matt.
I don't care.
Nigga Matt is in the back flexing, man. We doing this shit. Ale House, Toledo.
Oh, it's too much, bro.
Time to take off.
I got my hat down low, my jeans so fitted. These niggas like to talk, man, y'all niggas all critics, I don't listen. I just laugh at the fact y'all don't listen. Well, too bad y'all missing. See success in my future, got 20/20 vision. These hoes like to choose, but y'all acting like pigeons, I don't listen. I just laugh at the fact that y'all tricking. And man, these niggas ass kissing. First you wasn't on my team, now you hopping on the bandwagon. I was okay on the mic, man, you full of shit. Now I'm that nigga who you like, they be quick to switch. Memories of the haters straight laughing, now they all up on my team. Make some room on the bandwagon. Because the hoes didn't want me, the niggas didn't like me. They say y'all wasn't good, and now they wanna try me, but I'm good. Now when niggas straight spitting, all the hoses on my dick and the niggas ass kissing. Bitch, there's some room on my bandwagon. Yeah, so make some room on the bandwagon. Huh, bitch, there's some room on my bandwagon. Look, and there's some room on my bandwagon. You know, because the hoes didn't want me, the niggas didn't like me. They say y'all wasn't good, and now they wanna try me, but I'm good. Now when niggas straight spitting, all the hoses on my dick and the niggas ass kissing. Ha! When Ronnie Polo on the mic, I'll need a drum roll. My smartphone filling up with these dumb hoes. They say they like my music, I shoulda knew it. Learned all my older tracks and now they wanna hear some new shit. Back in the day they used to say I didn't have a chance. Just cause I spit the realest shit, man, I ain't have a dance. And I ain't dumb it down, I need some touching up. Now critics see delivery has literally been